In this video, I want to show you how to set up your phone without any Apple account. If you don't want to download apps and you just want to use this iPhone for internet and the camera, maybe just like an old iPod Touch, well, let me show you how to get through all these settings without you having to log in any Apple account. So let's get started. So first screen, you'll have to select the language. Select the one that you wish, then select your country and region. Next, we have to select the size of whatever is on the screen. I suggest you leave it to default, but if you have trouble seeing things, maybe you're visually impaired, you can set up to large so everything looks a bit larger than usual. I'll leave it to default. Over here, it will ask you if you want to set up this iPhone with another one, and this is not what we want. So I'll select Setup without another device. Then connect yourself to any Wi-Fi network that is around you. This is mine. I'll select it and I will type the password. Now the iPhone will take a few minutes to set up by itself. Press Continue. Select Adult. Press Setup Later. You're not obligated to have a passcode of the iPhone if you don't want one. If you don't, select Passcode option. Don't use a passcode. Don't use passcode. Select Don't Transfer Anything. This is where they ask you to sign in into your Apple account. And if you don't want to do this, maybe you don't have one and you don't need one, again, select Forgot Password or Don't Have an Account. Set up later in Settings. Don't use. Select Agree. Only download automatically. Not now. Set up later. OK. Set up later. Skip. Set up later in Settings. Don't share. Here you can select how do you want your phone to look. If you set up to auto, when it's daylight, it will be white and dark when it's at nighttime. I'll select auto and press continue. Set up later. Not now. Set up later. Continue. Get started. And here we go. We are on the home screen of your phone without having any Apple account linked to this iPhone. Now, since we have connected to the Wi-Fi, it also means that all the apps will update themselves. As you see, they're currently updating and downloading. Unfortunately, you will not be able to download any other apps until you have connected an Apple account. But again, maybe you don't want this. You still can use the camera. You can still make calls if you have connected an eSIM or a SIM card to your phone. And you can still use many of the features that you see on the display right now. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.